Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best AI for business and market research. First, go to the Manus website using any browser on your PC or mobile. Then, tap on Sign Up from the top right corner of the screen. Now, choose Sign Up with Google. A Google sign-in window will appear. Select your Google account from the list or log in if you're not already signed in. Then, tap on Continue to complete the sign-up. You'll now land on the Manus dashboard where you can start assigning tasks or doing business-related research. Now open a new tab and go to Perplexity AI. Tap on Continue with Google. Select the same Google account or choose another one if needed. Then tap Continue again to enter the platform. Now Perplexity will show two plans options. The free version was limited but good for basic research, and the Pro plan for $20 per month, which gives access to advanced features. Choose the free plan to get started. Now, go back to Manus. In the task field, you can ask any research questions. For example, try typing, analyze the current trends and competitive landscape in the AI-powered SaaS industry, focusing on emerging use cases, customer adoption, and investment activity. Once you've answered the task, tap on Send or Submit to let Manus generate the results. Now, switch to Perplexity. Make sure you're in the free version and then type the same research questions into the search bar. Then, press Enter or tap the search icon to send it. Now, both Manus and Perplexity are getting answered for your question. First, go to Perplexity. You'll see a full response appear, usually including key facts, summaries, and real-time sources. Scroll down to read and more and see the links and references used for the answer. Now, switch back to Manus. The result may be ready. Manus usually shows the task results in the step-by-step cards or even as a playable voice response. Scroll down to explore each card and tap play if there's an audio version. It's a nice way to listen if you prefer that format. Once both tools are done, go back to Perplexity and look for the Sources section at the bottom. This shows which websites or data points were used. Then click on the Steps tab to see how Perplexity broke down your query and built the answer. Now, you've got two powerful results from two different tools. You can compare them side by side, check accuracy, and combine the insights for stronger business reports, marketing analysis, or investment research. Both are beginner-friendly and very useful for quick, in-depth research. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.